Industry skills, practical knowledge, real-world impact. This is Simple Gyan.
Have you ever wondered how a tiny worm creates one of the most luxurious fabrics in the world? Silk, worn by kings, queens, and now by millions, starts its journey from a small creature called the silkworm. But here's the shocking part. One silk saree can require thousands of cocoons. Today, we will go deep inside the real silk manufacturing process, from worm to wearable fabric. And trust me, the process is more fascinating than you think. Silk is a natural protein fiber produced by the larva of the Bombyx mori. These worms feed mainly on mulberry leaves, and that's why the most common silk is called mulberry silk. Silk is made of a protein called fibroin, coated with sericin, which is a glue-like substance. The process begins with sericulture, the farming of silkworms. Eggs are incubated at controlled temperature and humidity. After about 10 days, larvae hatch. Worms eat continuously for 20 to 25 days. They grow 10,000 times their original size. In the mounting stage, worms are placed on frames to spin their cocoons. Now comes the magical step. The silkworm releases liquid silk from its glands. This liquid hardens into a fine thread when exposed to air. Each cocoon is made of a single continuous thread that can be 300 to 900 meters long. Mind-blowing, right? Before the moth emerges, cocoons are processed. Why? If the moth comes out, it breaks the silk thread. Cocoons are heated with steam or hot air. This kills the pupa inside, a process called stifling. This step is critical for maintaining long fiber silk, which is much more valuable. This is where silk becomes thread. Cocoons are soaked in hot water to soften the sericin glue. The filaments are carefully unwound. Multiple filaments are combined to make one strong silk thread. This initial thread is what we call raw silk. Raw silk still contains sericin. It is washed with soap or chemicals to remove the remaining glue. The result is a silk that is much softer, shinier, and more flexible. Next, threads are twisted for strength and then dyed. Silk absorbs dye beautifully, giving it vibrant colors. The weaving is done using hand looms or power looms to create beautiful fabrics like sarees and scarves. Silk is used in everything from sarees and dresses to ties and even high-end upholstery. It's renowned for its natural shine, incredible strength, and smooth, soft texture. There's also something called Ahimsa silk, or peace silk, where no silkworms are killed. The cocoon is used after the moth exits, but as a result, the fiber quality is often lower. So next time you see silk, remember, it's not just fabric. It's a journey of science, nature, and craftsmanship. If you enjoyed this deep dive, like, share, and subscribe to Simple Gyan. We turn complex processes into simple knowledge.